Press Scan button to open the camera and scan the pages in the book. Camera is opening. Please wait.
The solar system. The solar system. The 8 planets of the solar system can be divided into 2 groups, inner planets and outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planets. Inner planets are also known as terrestrial planets, as they are rocky and dense, and their cores are made up of metals. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Outer planets are large with no solid surface. It is believed that they have a small, solid core and rotate. The Vedic Age, 2500 BCE to 600 BCE. The coming of the Aryans. The Harappan civilization started to stagnate by 1500 BCE. Around this time, the Aryans began to arrive in India. Historians believe that the Aryans were a cultured race of people who lived in Central Asia. As their towns and cities grew during this period, trade developed by the barter system. During this time, many people used painted grey vessels, which have been found in many sites. River Valley Civilizations. River Valley Civilizations. During the Bronze Age, areas around the Indus Valley in the Indian subcontinent.
Do you want to learn or test? Press learn to learn this topic or press test learn. Do you want to switch to test mode? Press yes button to switch to test mode. Do you want to restart this exercise? Press yes button to restart. Do you want to learn or test? Press learn, learn. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Right answer. Right answer. Right answer. Camera is opening. Please wait.